All right, let's get this show on the road. 12 XV4s. Man, I don't know why my heart is racing so much right now. This is gonna be the first burp on these brand new subs. We got a reset meter on the APM2. We're down the kick just because that's the most common with the base wars. It's local to me and I'm just gonna focus on that. It's pretty much what everyone does around here. So let's keep this thing reset. We're maxed out on our volume here. We're at 40 hertz. I can't even believe it. The peak frequency went down even more just from playing it that little bit from the last time that video was shot, just yesterday or the day before. Oh my gosh. All right, sealed up on this side, seat brought up, heart is racing. How are we gonna do this, I wonder? Maybe I'll just face the camera like this, I guess. All right, I just stepped outside the car, so we'll see what that does. Even though I usually do most of my testing with me sitting in there, I took this little strip out so the phone can balance right here because I want to do everything with my right hand. Okay, here we go, buddy. Oh man. 2, 3. Yeah. Good on the song. Good on the song. Heck yeah! 166.68 at 40 hertz. That is low and loud. I think we were at 167.4 with the sound streams, and now we're at 166.7 around. But I'd rather have it be at 40 hertz, like what I was just saying, than 47 hertz. And just imagine what this thing's got in it with even bigger, badder subs. This is technically a smaller platform than the sound streams, but every bit as capable. Lots of X-Max, even more musical, I should say. So I'm really doing something I shouldn't be doing with these dang X series. SPL testing is not necessarily their forte. So yeah, there's a quick introductory little SPL burp. I just wanted to, I'm just too curious not to really rip on it. So I bet if I messed around with a couple things in the cabin, or maybe even just sat in here, I bet I could, you know, get even louder. It's what the frig? I just opened my door. Look, I just totally destroyed my freaking brand new speakers I just installed. Why did I have to do a freaking burp? My curiosity is always kicking my butt. Oh my gosh. Obviously, that's the name of the game. I can't bitch about it. All right, let's try this one more time. I added some tape all along the door, and I have the term lab out now. I got 3 different sensors, one placed in the left, right, and center of the firewall to see if there's any outlaw hotspots, if you will, and I brought the frequency down to 39 hertz. I'm gonna see if that makes a little bit of a difference here. I'm just gonna give it the beans. Here we go. You ready? Nice, 66.6. Still right there, haha! All right, now I'm gonna try 38 just for fun. Here, let's do that. .38 hertz, 66.5. Hell yeah, baby. Dude, I would much rather be even a dB down and be in the 30s with this type of score. I am really liking these X series. All right, we just did a 66.5 at 38 hertz. So now I'm gonna do 30 hertz, see what that does. Or actually, I'm gonna try 35 hertz, see what that does. So, I'm telling you, when you turn up the volume, low testing peak frequency sweeps mean basically nothing. Oh my word. Dude, I almost just beat my loudest score of all time at 35 hertz. You've gotta be kidding me. Let's go to 30. I just have to see. And the weather shipping's coming off again, hold on. Whoa, guys, whoa. I did not expect this. I'm freaking louder and lower? No way, I could not get that score at this low of a frequency before. I know that for a fact. I already did that testing. Okay, let's do it again. Let's reset. I just gave it some RPMs here. Let's try 30 hertz. You've got to be kidding me. we go. Oh my gosh! I'm getting stuff in my eyes. 30 hertz, baby! And like, I'm still doing crazy damage on those speakers. But now I just have to. 20, this is my favorite frequency of all time. Any bass line with this frequency in it is my favorite. I just love this note. Let's try this again. 28 hertz. We're going into the 20s, guys. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I think my meter fell. Hold on. I think my meter fell. But still, holy crap! 66 in the 20s. I'm sorry, I'm getting so excited right now. All right, let's try this again. We got 28 hertz. Oh, it's almost at the end. All right, let's go ahead and see if we got more left in there since that meter, I'm pretty sure it fell. All right, we're good. 28 hertz. Heck yeah, baby, I freaking knew it. Another 0.3 of a dB, baby. Oh, and this is at 28 freaking hertz. This is, I am so freaking impressed with these subs. But I'm actually surprised that the passenger side, this is the meter here, here, and here. So driver, center, and then passenger. But I guess there is the heater that I just replaced that huge fan that's right in the way of that. So that could be in the way of 0.2. I guess that makes sense. And this definitely makes sense since it's on this side of the vehicle and it's open, relatively, just this window here. Heck yeah, oh my freaking word, that is just incredible. Now, I think I'm even more curious of what it does at 25. This is just too awesome, man. It's crazy to think how much the FS is affecting this response. Let's get that 25 hertz score now and just see what it does. Push play. 25 hertz. Oh shit, I think I saw 64.8 or something. It shut it. Oh gosh. I think I wonder if that would have been a 65 before it froze. Dang it. All right, I just put the computer right here to hopefully avoid all that crazy movement that it just shut up on me. I'm gonna try 25 hertz again. Same everything, reset. And all right, 25 hertz. Wait, dang it! I wasn't on peak hold. I thought I saw a 9 in there. We are giving this thing the beans though, so the fact that it's still doing these greatest scores, burp after burp, is awesome. So let's try that again. Dang it. All right, I'm pretty sure I probably just compromised it a little bit. All right. Dang it, so close to the 65. So close to 65. Oh. That is kicking my butt. Damage assessment here. It looks like we tore through on the Gorilla Tape there and there, and it sucked it in right here. But it looks like it did just the job for getting us, what do we need? Only like a dB more. And we got the 67.3. That's for dang sure. So let's go ahead and open her up and see. Let's see how the speakers are faring now. Oh gosh. Holy smokes. There was no amplification going to these speakers whatsoever. All of this shredding is just from the bass. 167.3 in the 30s. These may be just too sensitive, too, compliant, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my gosh, that is just too much. I don't even want to look at that right now. And yeah, having a good time bassing. Gotta love those incriminators. Be sure to check out the Showtime website if you're looking for car audio gear. We always got something for you there. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. This is EXO signing out.